Good morning, y'all. This is Keena with Flossy Blanks. I run a Sublimation Blanks business. So with that being said, I get a lot of people that ask me questions about what is sublimation? How did you get started? What are you gonna do you teach? Do you teach Photoshop? How do you do it? Give me some answers. So you know what? A lot of people ask those questions, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna answer those questions. Our first topic for Flossy Blanks tip and tutorials is gonna be what is sublimation and what do you need to start with it. Right now, I'm gonna go work out real quick. I'll be back and we're gonna definitely get into these topics. All right, y'all, I'm back. The question that we're having for today's topic is what is sublimation printing? All right, sublimation printing is this. Sublimation printing is a specific process of print that involves printing onto a special sheet of paper, then transferring the image onto another material. The ink is then heated and disintegrates into the fabric or hard substrate. Now let's get into what you're going to need. Sublimation printer. This is the Epson F570. This will run you about $24.95. We also have these Workforce Epson 7710 and 7720. This one I did not convert. This one I had to convert to sublimation. You have to use maybe go to YouTube and get a video on how to do that. I know Angelo Bonaparte with Cosmos Ink does a great video on how to convert these printers. I'm not sure if they can be converted anymore, as Epson is making a lot of their sublimation printers already sublimation ready. Sublimation ink. Printer jack is the one that I've used when I first started. This is the Epson ink that goes with the big boy printer. And then you have Cosmos ink. That's Angelo Bonaparte's ink. I hear that is great. I, as you can see, have not used it yet. But these are the inks that I use, and this is what you're going to need. Sublimation paper. ASUB paper. This is my Epson paper that goes into the big boy printer. This is what it looks like. It's on a roll. So I love this paper. This is some of the best paper I've ever used. It is very lightweight, and it holds the ink well, and it releases it well. Gonna need a heat press. Gonna need an oven if you're doing cups, and a mug press. Might need those three items. Might be the main thing you need. Some form of sublimation items. T-shirts, 90 to 100% polyester is preferred, but you use what you can. And we have our own, Flossy Design has a collection of t-shirts, so we have them here. Substrates, you need a lot of different stuff. A lot of different substrates. Research, that's going to be the biggest thing you need to do. Research what sublimation is, how to do it, and look at plenty of videos. YouTube is your friend. I say it's your friend because I have used it, but you need to do research. It's the best thing you can do before you just jump into something that you don't know anything about. Go ahead and leave comments if you have more questions that I can answer in another video. Have a good day.